18 years ago, July 6, nang pinanganak si Baby Casey and the whole Nicdao and Chaneco family were very happy. Lalo na siya yung pinakaunang apo on both sides. Ang alam ko, dapat pangalan niya is Charlene, combination sa Charlie and Annalyn. But unfortunately, may nauna at alam nyo na kung sino yon. Pero syempre mas maganda naman yung pangalang Krisha Camille at syempre mas maganda si Casey. Ako yung unang nakakita sa kanyang maglakad at her age 9 months. At hulaan nyo kung ano yung unang words ni Casey. Correct. Tito Ronron. No, just kidding. And maraming magagandang memories sa kanya, lalo na nung bata siya. Pero isa sa mga paborito ko was nung ginupit niya yung sarili niya at nakamukha niya si Osang. Now, fast forward 18 years after to this date, Miss Krisha Camille Nicdao Chaneco is now a pretty young lady. Happy 18th birthday, Casey. At alam ko, pinangako ko yung gift na gusto mo, which is laptop. Pangako ko na ibibigay ko sa iyo yon. Pero hindi ko mapapangako kung anong taon ko maibibigay. Isang bagay siguro na hindi alam ni Casey sa akin is, ang pinaka-talent ko is, correct, dancing. That's why I have this rose. Casey, please accept it. And if I cannot be one of your 18th roses, kahit na 19th roses pa ako, okay lang. Okay, again, happy 18th. We love you.